Did you know the Hashira almost met their end when they were poisoned in their final battle with Muzan? You won't believe the intense clash that followed. During the Sunrise Countdown arc, it was shown that Muzan has found a way to use a special trait of his blood as a weapon. By covering his whips with his blood, he can inject it into an opponent when they get hurt and quickly destroying the human body's cells after entering. The time when the Hashira and Muzan start fighting again, they got hit many times and Muzan's poison spreads. The Demon King's attacks gets faster and puts more pressure on the Hashira. They felt the exhaustion and their body wearing down because of the effect of the poison. Fortunately, their will to defeat Muzan is out of this world, never giving any hint of inferiority to the Demon King. By the time they felt the poison's effects has already invaded their body, and when they are on the verge of collapse, a cat miraculously appears, carrying doses of cures to Muzan's poison. The Hashira are struck by each dose, which cures them of the poison and allows them to regain a portion of their strength.